whole roll of solder-free LED strip is reel-to-reel LED strip. The biggest difference between it and ordinary LED strip is that there are no soldering joints. The production process of ordinary LED strip is welded together one by one. But reel-to-reel production process, no soldering joint for whole reel. So, what are the advantages of reel-to-reel LED strip? To prevent the risk of false soldering or breakage. In the production process, there is a very small probability that false soldering will occur, and the artificial violence during installation increases the risk of breakage. Easy to cut and convenient to use. 50-meter long package, no soldering joints, and cut as long as you want to meet your individual needs. Accurate size without deviation. Because the reel-to-reel has no soldering in the process, there is no crossover and overlap, and there is no deviation in size. Solder-free connector, easy to install. Next, let me show you products. Colors provides 3 series of reel-to-reel products. DJ series. High cost-effective 120 lumen per watt. FD series. Flip LED. Light source 120 lumen per watt, 180 degree emitting. DR series. High performance 160 lumen per watt.